lines to be parallel, they must have the same slope. And take note that the second equation of a line is restricted to pass through the point 1 and -4. So again, let's start with the slope of this original given equation equal to 0. This is in general form. The a here is given to be 3. B is not just 5, but it's -5. And our c is 7, though c is not needed because the slope is just the combination of -a over b. They just simply write c just to complete the process. This would mean the slope of our original equation is negative of a, -3, over b, which is -5. The slope here is positive 3/5. This is the slope of the equation given. And if we are going to solve for the equation of a line parallel to this, the slope of that second line must be equal to 3/5 as well. Now, aside from this, we are restricted to pass to the point 1 and -4. With these two, we can now come up with the equation of a line using the idea or the process with slope and a point. We call it the point slope form in this format. Our m is the same m here, 3/5, but the y sub 1 and x sub 1 will be these coordinates here. So let's do this. We have y minus y sub 1, which is -4. Please do not forget to write parentheses because you will be using a certain property here. Your m is 3/5, 3/5 times x minus your x sub 1, which is 1. Your left hand side rather will become y plus 4, that's plus, is equal to still 3/5 times the quantity x minus 1. Let's not multiply the 3/5 to x and 1 here so that we will not be handling fractions. Instead, we will be multiplying both sides of the equation with a certain number, which is 5. So this will be cancelled out, leaving integral values alone. But don't forget to do the same thing on the other side to retain equality. This is 5y plus 20 is equal to, now you can now multiply 3 here and here. So you have 3x minus 3. Now moving this on the other side to come up with a general form, you have -3x plus 5y, you have plus 20, and you have here plus 3, all equal to 0. In short, the form or the equation of a line in general form that is parallel to the given line is -3x plus 5y plus 23 is equal to 0. We can also check whether this is really correct. The slope for this is -a, which is negative of -3 over b. Double negative property will be applied on the numerator. That's still 3/5. This is just the same as the analyzed value of the slope earlier. This is now the equation of a line parallel to the original given.